Alright, so one last video before I wrap it up. I just want to go over, I made a list of few things, that 10, 13 things to start a video booth business. And this is the approach that I took in order to establish and go from beginning to end. Or 10, let me just start. First is the name. Think of the name, a simple name. I happen to choose 360 MVP because to me MVP represented music video production, music video platform, motion video platform, and it was three letters long. A music video producer. It was catchy, and it was the same number of characters as 360. It made the logo nice and tight, so that's why I chose 360 MVP. I suggest you choose something very simple especially when you're picking out your email address. Something very short and that um, represents the business. Then you're going to get a logo. I paid my local designer, I believe it was like $100 for my logo. Um, I would have done it myself, but I liked my colleague's work, so I hired for the logo. It didn't take very long at all. So once you have the logo, you're going to get an email address from Google. You get establish a Gmail account with the logo as your profile picture, and you're going to establish a signature with providing the contact nomenclature of your Facebook, your Instagram, and if you have a YouTube channel, and your website. That all goes in the signature block. Your phone number, and so forth. Next, you don't have to, but you should get a website, a clean, simple, and not busy website. You can get the free one from Google just to start out. It doesn't do any booking or anything, but it gives them an opportunity to email you for booking and information. In fact, my competitor runs theirs this way as well. Um, then you can get, then you need to get the Google listing, because number one target way that people are finding photo booths or 360 booths are they get into the phone and they say photo booth near me. So you want to be on the list when they say that into the phone. You want to appear in the search results. So a Google listing is very mandatory. Next, you're going to start an Instagram, and connect that to encompass into the business as well. Then you're going to establish your Facebook page, then establish your TikTok page. I highly recommend, if you don't have LinkedIn, you establish a LinkedIn business page as well. Hashtags are still a growing, they're very pertinent in this on LinkedIn. I've posted a few of my videos and a business page recently and found that there's also competitors in the market that are also posting their 360 videos in LinkedIn. Um, then you want to start a YouTube channel. The more content you can post, your 360 or your flyer videos, or whatever, your content for the business, you want to be able to post on all platforms that you possibly can. The YouTube channel, obviously you gotta put in your description, but the photo booth community is searching for these videos, so these are going to pop up in search results. They're going to draw back to your business, and it just it's a part of the big picture. It encompasses the full circle of what the business represents, which is content. Um, Also, if you can, vehicle lettering. It's very affordable. Just simple stuff. Just get your name and the phone number and the Facebook page on some vinyl lettering and put it in the window of your car. It's going to cost you like maybe $20, and you can put it on yourself. Um, then you want to go get QR code business cards. I got mine from QR Chimp, and they allow you to create a QR code with contact information and your website and your Instagram and your Facebook links, and send those off not only people can scan the QR code, but also you can send the link out in an email and in text messages. And once they receive that and they click the link, they can click save contact information in the phone, and they have everything available for you. And last but not least, the software, Zentek. You can download their trial. They have amazing marketing tools to get you started, and you want to practice. So those things, I'll put the list in the description below. So before I close this out, please hit the bell for those notifications. Comment below if you like this video, share it, and hit the like button. Thank you.